Right, hello friends. In today's video, we're going to be working on this Suzuki Swift. This particular model is 2019, and we've got the issue with the mass airflow sensor here. So we did the diagnostic, and on the diagnostic report, it says that there's an issue with the mass airflow on this car, and so that is the reason why the car is running rough. So we are getting rough idling on this car, as well as poor fuel consumption. So basically the fault code we are getting is p0101, and that particular code is for the faulty or dirty mass airflow sensor. So what we're going to do here is we're going to clean the mass airflow sensor to start off with, and if we keep getting the same problem again and again, what we're going to do is we're going to change the mass airflow sensor complete. So today's video, we're just gonna strip the mass airflow sensor, give it a good clean with this electrical contact cleaner spray. So just gonna start the procedure. So the location for the mass airflow sensor is in here under the engine cover. So we're just gonna remove the engine cover. So here is the location for the mass airflow sensor. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull this yellow tab towards us like this, press the tab, and here we go. So that's the connector out of the way. So next what we're going to do is we're going to remove these two Phillips screws. Right, so just going to undo the screws, one here and one on this side. Here we go. So now we're gonna gently pull the mass airflow sensor out. So here is the mass airflow sensor. So I strongly recommend that you only use electrical contact cleaner spray on it. Don't use petrol or any other chemical on it, because these sensors are very sensitive, and instead of doing good, you might damage it, and it's gonna be more costly to replace the whole thing. So just gonna take it to the side. Right, so you're just gonna spray the electrical contact cleaner on it. Also in here. Perfect. Right, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to leave this sensor to dry. Once it's fully dry, we're going to insert it back into the engine. Right, here we go friends. Now we're going to insert the mass airflow sensor back into the slot. Okay, just going to push it all the way in, and then two screws to secure it. Right, so that's the mass airflow sensor fully secured. Next we're going to insert the connector back into the slot. There we go. I'm going to press the tab, yellow tab, all the way. So that's the mass airflow sensor nicely been stripped, cleaned, and nicely been fit back together onto the engine. And that's gonna, and hopefully that's gonna sort the problem out with this car, and we will not see the engine management light on the dash, on the cluster. So next we're going to put the cover back on. Well, here we go friends, job done. I hope you find my videos helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.